Hey guys, GP Mushrooms. I just wanted to do an update on my 10-pound mushroom log. As you can see, it did very well. And of course, it's a 10-pound mushroom log, so chances are this is probably going to be about 1 1/4 pound of mushrooms. I did find out my son was secretly spraying my mushrooms in my box, and he was drowning the back pretty bad. So I did lose a couple little pin sets that were going to do fairly well, it looks like. But let's put it to the test. Let's see if I got my 1 1/4 pound like I keep saying, right? Now your norm. That's your average. That's always gonna be your average for a 10-pound block or a 10-pound log. You're going to get 1 1/4 pounds of mushrooms. So let's see. Oh, all right, guys. I harvested all the mushrooms off my 10-pound log. This is my Princess Pearl, and yep, as always, it came up to 1 1/4 pounds. It looks like a hair over. Now, I'm going to have these available on Amazon here shortly. Give me about a week. The thing about, you'll see other mushroom kits. You're going to see those ones with the fancy boxes, but, they're only like 3-pound blocks inside those boxes. And they're going to produce a small amount of mushrooms. They're going to look nice because all the mushrooms are coming out of the front in one area. So it makes it look like one big mushroom. But nevertheless, it's not going to weigh as much. You're not going to get as many mushrooms as you would with like a 10-pound log or a 5-pound block. I don't want to give the names out of those other companies, but you'll know what I mean. If you read their description, it'll say 3 pounds of substrate, 3-pound block. And like I said, yeah, they take pretty pictures, but you're not going to get as many mushrooms as you would with a 10-pound mushroom log or a 5-pound block of mushrooms or a 5-pound mushroom block. So just try to keep that in mind when you guys are, on Amazon shopping for, other mushroom kits. You won't get as many mushrooms. I guarantee it. All right. I'm not showing you guys.